Hi, I'm Weng here. I'm the owner of this house. This is my wife Elsie, and
hi, I'm Brandon. Hi.
No, this is I would say our third house in terms of renovation, and I guess this is one of the most extensive renovations that we've had so far. My favorite part, I would say, of course, the living room and then the bedroom.
For mine is my favorite part of the house.
0 to 10.
Eight, 10 lah.
Nobody's perfect. From start to end, I guess it's not so, of course, not 100% smooth. There's a lot of discussion going on. He came to visit us late at night sometimes, caught by surprise. We're almost going to bed and he appeared in front of our door.
Every meeting we spend about 3-4 hours discussing design.
I would say yes. I guess Brandon also very patient and he spent a lot of time with us actually, accommodating also for our timing because we need to work, then we meet like 8 p.m. and then we talk until almost 11 p.m. that kind of thing. Talk about details and went through the laminates and all the things over and over again. Change. Then we say, oh no, we came back again, things like that. So quite a journey, but I think this journey, although not very smooth, but I think it's already considered very good in terms of this I would say this full renovation. Yeah, I was searching, so I was googling on interior design, reading forums and watching YouTube, and I came across this Reno TV thing, and I was watching it. This company is number one. I can see they are enjoying it, so it's fun. And the next thing I realized that they were actually having short videos that introduces different kind of house, and basically these are information sharing. I find that a company that is willing to spend effort and time to share this kind of information is something that I'm very this is something that I will look for, basically, that the company will actually share with us between different types of available materials and what are options available, rather than just leaving everything to themselves or leaving everything to the owner to decide. So basically that's what I was looking for, a balance whereby they would recommend something and having some options for us to select, something that suits us in terms of budget, in terms of what we want, something that I was looking for. So I started exploring and went to the company, and then Brandon was with us and we started discussing some of the options, and that's where we started.